Here.
Come on, wag kang sili.
Vlogger tayo today. Ba't pa tayo nandito? Joke lang. In-invite kami na Bonifacio Arts Foundation. Kasi busker kami dito sa PGCN. It's opening weekend of Uniqlo. So, FYI, favorite clothing brand ko ito. So, yan. Ni-renovate nila siya. And, yan, opening ulit sila. Reopening. So, yan. We have our t-shirts from Uniqlo and BGC and our jeans. Hirap ipakita. Pero yun, let's walk through. Nag-field trip lang talaga kami dito sa Uniqlo. And then, you do watch us out on our busking schedule this weekend. November 7, 8, and 9. So, iba-iba kami. Anong date nga kayo, ate? November 7? November 8. November 8 sila, ate Mimi. November 7. November 9.
See ya!
See ya! See ya, guys!